Hi, Facebook land. It is me, Lynn O'Brien, Columbia River Properties in the Dalles, Oregon broker. I'm here to talk to you about pre-approval, your lender, and you. So, people call me up and ask me about how to go about getting pre-approved for a home loan. The first thing, and I'm going through this right now with my husband as a first-time buyer, is that you need to make sure your credit score is top notch, as top as you can get it, as good as you can. Good scores are like in the 700s, 730s. Acceptable is right around 680. You need to make sure that there are no discrepancies, no errors. And if you find any, contact the credit reporting agency that the error shows in, because a lot of times they will work with you on that to get that fixed. They will, discuss it with you. They will go back through your history and see what is on there, go a little in depth. It might cost a little bit of money, but sometimes the first one's usually free. So it pays in the end to double check everything. The next thing is, when you go to talk to a lender, don't be afraid to shop around. Call them first. Ask them what they need from you to go and to meet with you. A lot of them will require 2 years worth of W-2s and tax returns, 30 days worth of paycheck stubs from both people who are going to be on the loan, and at least 2 months of bank statements. This can vary between lenders, so it always pays to double check. The third thing you'll need, assets. They want to know what kind of money you have in your accounts. If you have savings, if you have investment opportunities, dividends, that kind of thing. They want some proof of that, so be sure that if you have anything like that, rental income, all of that kind of stuff, you need to take records of that with you when you go to meet with your lender. The fourth thing, as I said in the previous comment, don't be afraid to shop around. Usually ask 1 or 2 lenders, like a bank or a credit union, and then maybe even a private lender company, mortgage company. Sometimes they have special programs. Always ask about those, what you qualify for. You might qualify for more than one program. Check the numbers between them, because it does affect, what your mortgage amount, what your loan payment's going to be. So the more you double check into all of this and look into it, it could save you money in the end. It could save you a lot of hassle. It could help your broker in the beginning, because when you get pre-approved first, you know how much money you need, how much money is available to you to go buy a house. So you're not looking at something that's way out of your price range, getting your hopes up. You can go into this with a thorough knowledge of what you are qualified to pay and what you're qualified to buy. And your broker will really appreciate it. Trust us, we do. That when you come in with that letter, submit it with your offer. Buyers love to see that, because it shows that you are serious. It shows that you have done your research, at least for a loan. And in this kind of a seller's market where everything is going very fast, multiple offers, there is no time to really negotiate. There's no time to, hem and haw. You've got to go into it with both barrels open wide and ready to go. So having this letter is key to writing an offer. And we'll talk about that more again in another day. And just so you know, don't go for pre-qualifications. Those are just kind of a general, run-of-the-mill, basic. It's just, you tell them how much you can pay, and then they write a pre-qualification letter. That's really basic. Pre-approval, solid. It pays to submit it with your offer. People will look at that and go, oh, good. Pre-qualification, don't even worry about it. So if you have any questions about lending, be sure to call around to banks, credit unions, mortgage loan originators in your town or here in the Dalles. Our office would be happy to pass along phone numbers if you have who's who. We can give you those phone numbers so you can do your research. But if you have any questions about how to write an offer, stay tuned. One of our upcoming Facebook Live posts, I'll talk about that. I hope you have a great Wednesday, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.